Okay, good day, doctor. I'm C.KRISHNAN. Metric number is 296093, and we have a group of 2. So today I'm going to present about the final project of web engineering. So we build a website called Jom Healing, where it will be easy for the students to find some tour places whenever they are in stress or depressions among the hectic weeks. Okay, so this is the home page. So this is home page for user, and also we have home page for admin. So this is the admin platform, and this is the user platform. Okay, so now let's see for the login. So the login, the user need to create a new account, and then they need to log in. So I have already created. So let me input my username and password. So it will show login successfully, and it will be go inside. So once it's login successfully, we can see hi Kritika. So the Kritika is my first name. Yes, because we need to create a new account by inserting the first name, last name, username, and password. So the hi Kritika, the Kritika is my first name. Okay, and then for the admin can choose. They need to input their username and password. And then they have two options, whether they go to website. Once they click go to website, it will be come to the website part, or they can just input their username and password and click sign in. So it will be go to the admin dashboard. Okay, so now let's see the code for this. So first of all, we have initialize.php. So this is mainly to initialize about the username, the password, and then the database name. So we have initialized the base URL. So the base URL is defined by localhost Jom Healing, and then we have, as usual, the we connected with the server username, password, and the DB name. We name it as Jom Healing. So this is the initialize.php, where it will be configured. It will add to the configure. So in configure code, we have implemented the date and time zone, which is under Asia, and then we have connected with the DB connection, and it will be connected to the base app, where we have initially initialized in initialize PHP, and then we have include the function where iPhone, iPod, iPad, so we can open this website from this type of mobile applications. Okay, so now let's see for the DB connection.php. So this is where we have initialized the class of the DB connection, and then all this will be implemented into the login.php. So this is the part where user will register their account. They need to insert their first name, last name, username, and password, so that all the details will be saved into the database, and will be when it comes to login, it will be derived from the database, and it will be login. So So for the login user, it will be find from the database the user's usernames. So if the username and the password match, then it will be login success. If it doesn't match, then it will be show a status telling which is either the username or password is incorrect. Okay, so this is the code for login. And then okay, so this is the main code for the login page. Okay, and then under admin, even for admin, we have a login page as well. So let's see the code for admin. So yeah, so we have implemented a background video, so we can see that yeah, so we can see behind the login container, it will be we having a video. So this is the code for background video, and also this is for the login information. So we have login button here, and we have we have initialize base URL, where once the admin click go to website, so it will be go to the base URL, which is we initialize at initialize.php, or else they can input the username, password, and then they can click sign in to log in into the page. So yeah, so this is the code for login for both user and admin. Okay, so doctor, now let's see the navigation bar. So we have, as I said before, we have home button, tour button, car rental. So once I click tour button, it will be go to tour packages, and once I click car rental, it will be go to car rental, and then about us, and then contact us. Okay, so now let's see code for this navigation bar. Okay, so for the navigation bar, okay, so this is the code. So first we have a button for the menu, and we have included all the navigation, which is home, tours, car rental, about, contact, and then we also have hi. So in this code we have included hi, and it will be derived the data from the database under user data called first name. So as I say, after I log in, it will be show Kirtika. So that means the time I create a new account, I inserted my name in the first name. So it will be derived from the database, and will be show hi the first name of the account, user account. And then we have a login button. So this is the code for the top navigation bar. Okay, and then now let's see the code for this home page. So in the home page, we have included a scroll bar, so we can scroll down till contact us. So now let's see the code for this one. Okay, so portal.php, that what I named for this file. Okay, so this is so this must head. Okay, so this is mainly for the video that running behind in the home page. So this video, so this is a little style for this one. As for the video, okay, so we have included the location, the source src for the video directory, and then if there's got any error or any like the browser doesn't support the video tag, so there will be a message showing that your browser does not support the video tag. And then we have the first subheading on the left side, core job healing, and then we have in the container we have the let's explore together and view tour button. Okay, and then we have the services where once we click the tour packages, it will be scroll down automatically, and it will be show the three container of having the tour packages details. So these are the code for those containers. And then this is for the tour packages where it will be show once I click the view tools, it will be go here. So that code is, so this code is mainly for these stars to show the review of the places. Okay, and then we have explore tours where once we click it, it will be go to the tour packages. So we have explore tours, so once I click it, so it will be go to tour packages page. Okay, yeah. And then at the down we have a car rental section. So in this section we have included some style for that particular section, where we have included a footer called animation. We just want to make it more creative maybe, so we have included this animation to go for the car rental. So these are the code for this animation part. So these are the blogger where we take the content from the Google user, and same goes to the car. So these are the keyframes where it will be go to left in how many percentage. Okay, so there will be a car rental, and this is the text for about the car rental. And then we have a link. We have included a link in a button form where the user can click the car rental button to go find about the car rental pages. And then we have included the footer area top, the background. It indicates the animation we have included over here. So we name it as footer background 1 2. So we have included over here. And then we have about us button. So once I click here, so it will be go here about us. So this is the code for about us. And then we have another section called contact. So in this contact section we have included the inquiries details. So this is the code for the contact us. So my partner will explain detail in about us and the contact us section. Okay, so now let's see for tours. So I can click over here, the at navigation bar tours, or I can click here. So once I click here, as I said, we can see 3 packages. So we can click explore tours to view more tours packages. So for example, I'm interested in maybe Gunung Jerai. So I'm interested in this tour. So I just click it and view about the location, about the details of the Gunung Jerai and the images as well. So for example, I'm interested going in Gunung Jerai. So we can see here. So these are the ratings. So no one rating yet. So we can see a 0. So 0 means there's no cost for going this place, so it is absolutely free. So the user can click interested, I'm going, to let us the admin know that they are interested in this place. So later on they will get email to any related offers, discounts to going to Gunung Jerai. So they can click book info. So for example, I'm interested in going Gunung Jerai by tomorrow, so I need to click save. So it say interested request successfully sent. So the user can view the places that they are interested. So we can see the date, time, tours of Gunung Jerai, schedule and status, action. So the user, whether they can cancel their schedule that they are going by tomorrow, or else they just can leave it like this. So once they click interested, they can request as many places they're interested. So what's next process? Okay, so the user can see the status of pending. So what is pending? So the users can leave a review to the tour places. So we can't let everyone to give and review without going to that places. So the user need to click interested to let us, the admin, know that they are interested. So after the 19th of July, the admin will. Okay, so now let's see for the admin pages. Admin. Oops, sorry. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. So the admin can see there's a request from the user C.KRISHNAN where he scheduled 19 July of going Gunung Jerai. So the admin can choose the action whether he can choose the which is confirm, cancel or done. For example, I'm clicking done. So which means after 19 July the admin will click done. So that means it's considered the users went to the Gunung Jerai places. So once the admin click done, so it will be show the status pending tune into done. And then we can see the status from the user side, from the Kritika side, the status become done. So the user now can submit a review. So which means after they went to that place and return back, they can open this website to leave a review to other customers. So they can rate anything as they want and they can leave a review. The best place I've ever went. Okay, so this is the review submitted. So once it's submitted, we should rate and review is successfully submitted. So when we back to the tour places, we can go to the Gunung Jerai. Yep. So in the Gunung Jerai, we can see the review by Live by C.KRISHNAN. So even the ratings is show by 1. So at admin portal, we can see that there will be a site where we can see the review that review by the user. So we can see over here 18 Kitika Gunung Jerai. So the best place I've ever went. So if the review is like it's not true, it's look like kind of fake, the admin have the authority to delete the review as well. So okay, so now let's see for the code part. Okay, yeah. For the tour packages, the admin can create new places for the tour packages. So to create, the admin need to go create new. So we need to, for example, test. Okay, so this is how, for example, to the place, the entrance fee is 15 ringgit. So I need to put 15. And then this is the test for the presentation. So this is the part where admin will insert the description for the page as well. The admin can modify according to this one. They can boldly, they can italic, underline. So all this function they can made it into bullet, center, text, hide. This is the grid, the table they can insert into like this. Okay, so this is how the admin. So okay, so we have two function which is active or inactive. So for example, hidden lake. Whenever the hidden lake is under construction, so the admin can choose inactive for a while, and then once it's done, then it will be back to active part. Okay, and then choose a file. So for example, let me insert a picture and I just click save. So we can say new packages successfully saved, and we can see. So we can see the test. Okay, and then when we go to the user part, yes, obviously we can see test. So these are the packages I just added. So these are the table, details, the location, and the prices I inserted. So now let's see code for this design. So let's see for the packages that inserted by the admin. So these are the code where it will show list of packages. So there will be a button called create new button. So we have date check, packages, description, status, action. So it is showing this one, date created, packages, description, status, action. So these are the code for that. And then it will be select from the packages. So whatever data is inserted by the admin, it will be saved into the database and it will be shown in the user website. So these are the code for the time. It will be auto, the date will be auto save, and then there will be a two action which is active and inactive, and there is a toggle button for the both actions, the actions. Okay, so this is the code for the create new packages, tour packages. So these are for the delete data. So the user, the admin can delete as well. So there will be an action where they can edit or delete. So these are the code for delete. So once the admin click delete data, so it will be asked, are you sure like delete this package permanently? Once you click yes, then it will be delete permanently. And then okay, so we have manage as well. So in this manage, the admin can edit the packages they have inserted. So as we know, we have package title, tour location, price, description, status, were active or inactive, and uploaded the images. So all the images will be uploaded in a folder called uploads. Okay, so all these functions are mentioned in the master.php. So this is the PHP is mainly for all the functions. So we have configure require ones for the configure.php. So this is the function for save packages, and we have the function for delete the images, delete the packages, and also we have the function for book tour. So these are all the function are initialized in master.php. And also we have function to update the book status, function for register, function for update account, and we have function for save inquiry. So all the functions for all the functions are listed in master.php. So these functions are attached in the manage.php. Okay, and then so this is the admin side, where how can the admin, so this is code for mainly for this design and how the create new. It's so now let's see the code for user side, the user side of tours, and how they can click the view package and leave a review. Okay. So we have packages.php. So this is where all the codes for the tour section is listed here. So we have upload. So all the images has been uploaded in the admin will be saved under upload. So we can see here we will be have a upload folder. So these are the upload folders. So all the packages images are saved into the database as well. So these are the code. So this is the design for the tour part. So where this is for star, the to the review it will be show the star once the user leave a review, so the stars will change the color and show the quantity. So this is the code of for it. And also this is the button where called view package. So we can see this is the design. So this is a star and it will show the view package. So this is the code for the in the user side. And then once the user click book I'm interested, so it will be go under admin, where admin will change it to done. So it will be go under a review part, so where the user will go to rate review. So once it changed the status pending to done, so the user will be able to rate and review the for the places they went. So this is the code where they can choose the stars of how many stars they are willing to give to the tour places. And this is the feedback review control label is called feedback, and then they click either submit or cancel. So they have to choose the stars, they need to enter the description of the feedback, and then they click submit or either cancel. So as we say this, we have included the classes in master.php, where it will be have all the functions of the code. And then if the review successfully submitted, there will be a alert message to say that successfully submitted, or else there will be an error message say an error occur. So and okay, yeah, so these are the code for the tour packages and review rate and review as well.
Good day everyone, my name is Varsha Kandasan and my click number is 296169. Today I'm going to demonstrate our website which is Stiw. Now I'm going to demo car rental function which is located over here at the header. When we click on the car rental button, it will go to the car rental interface which shows like this. Here we have the title and description, and we also have a book a car now button over here. When we click on the book a car now button here, and it will redirect to a new website which is rentalcars.com. Here users can actually book their cars for rent. The reason why we add this function at our website is because students are lack of transportation and they have problems regarding transportation to go to a place they prefer. Okay, now let's see its code. It's in portal.php and this is the section for the car rental code. And this is where we inserted the link of the website. Now I'm going to demonstrate another function which is about. When we click the about function located at the header here, it will go to the about us interface that will show like this. And this is the code for the about function which is in portal.php. And this code creates an about us section on the web page which includes a header and a card that dynamically displays the content from an external file about.html here, which is this. and the PHP script fetches and injects the content of the about.html file into the cart body when the web page is refreshed. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate admin settings. We have to click the settings navigation over here, and when we click on the settings navigation here, it will pop up like this. Here we have the system info, which is system information such as system name, system short name, about us, that are showed in the user page of us, privacy policy, system logo, website cover. Here we can update our information. So I just add in the about us, and when we click on the update, and so system info successfully update. Now we can see this in our admin user page. Here the information changed. So this is the code for the system setting, admin setting, and this code allows administrator to update system information such as name, short name, about us, content, privacy policy, system logo, and also website cover image. It includes functionality to preview uploaded images and user summary note for rich text editing. And the form submission is handled via JavaScript, ensuring a seamless user experience. Now I'm going to demonstrate another function, which is contact. So when we click on the contact button over here, it will go to the contact us interface that will show like this. Here there is form to fill up. Uh, Users can input their details here. For example, I input my name, and for the message, and when we click on the send message button over, and it will send to the admin dashboard, that is inquiry sent. And this is the section of code for the contact that is located in portal.php. The code creates a contact us section with a form that includes field for the user's name, email, subject, and message. The form is designed to work with SB forms from SB forms from Start Bootstrap for handling form submissions. The form fields are required, ensuring that users must fill them out before submitting. The form is styled using Bootstrap classes for a consistent and responsive design. Now I'm going to demonstrate inquiries at the admin dashboard. We have to click the inquiries navigation over here, and it will pop up like this. And here it will show the list of inquiries. These are the inquiries that I've stated before. And there are two status, which is read and unread. This is for the inquiry we already viewed, and this is for the inquiry we haven't viewed. And this is the inquiry that just now we sent in the contact us page. So when we click on the action button over here, it has view and delete. When we click on the view button, and it will show the inquiries. After we viewed, it will show that we read the inquiries, and we also can delete the inquiry permanently. An inquiry deleted and the data also deleted here. And we can also search if we have more, if we have many datas. Okay, this is the code for the inquiries in under admin inquiries. So this code provides a user interface to manage and display a list of inquiries. It includes features for viewing and deleting inquiries with appropriate status update, which is read and unread. And the table of inquiries is fetched from a database and displayed dynamically with user interactions handled through jQuery and AJAX. And this code over here for the view function that shows the status, and this code retrieves an inquiry from the database based on the id parameter, updates its status to read, and display the details in a model. It also includes JavaScript to handle a form submission for updating the book status, with AJAX used to send the request and handle the response. Now let's see the admin dashboard, and this is the main interface of the admin. And now I'm going to demonstrate manage admin profile. We have to click here and select my account, and here we can see the details of the admin, such as first name, last name, username, password, avatar, which is logo. We can change our details here. For example, I change the last name to admin. I click on the update button, user details successfully updated, and, and it changed over here. So this is the code for the manage admin profile, and this code fetches user data from a database and display it in a form, allowing the user to update their profile information and avatar. The form submission is handled via AJAX here, here to update the user information on the server without reloading the page. The avatar image is previewed immediately upon selection to enhance user experience. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the logout function in admin dashboard. We have to click the button over here and it will show my account and logout, and we have to click the logout. When you click on the logout button, and it will go to login page of the admin. And for the user dashboard, I have to log in first. So here we have to click this icon over here to log out, and it will go to the main page. And this is the code for the logout. It's in logout.php. Okay, this is the database structure of our website, and we have 6 tables over here, which is book list, inquiry, packages, rate, review, system info, and users. And this is the data we have for the each tables that we collected from the website and stored in database here.